Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. And in this video today I am going to unbox this Western Digital WD my password for Mac external hard drive HDD. It is 2 TB and you can see here, and other things are like it has said Mac OS 11 plus compatibility, and it's nice. Let's see what's inside, because I'm eager to see like. So this is things, and I'll show you how to set up this with the Mac OS as well. So this is exclusively for the Mac, and that's why I got it from the FNAC for 115 euro. So let's open this. Oh wow, I love this. I love this because before I was anticipating that the cable is USB-A. That means like I will need this adapter to connect to the Mac. That will be very hectic for me. But I see that it is a Type C. So now like I love this. Okay. Still, like if I don't like this, then I have 15 days of return policy with my tickets. So there's no. Wow. Wow, I really like this. Interesting. Ah, nice. Wow. I love this because I have made another video on unboxing Transcend hard disk 2 years or 3 years back. It was even bigger, but this is now like cool. Wow. So nice. And what else we got here? I think some warranty card. It comes with the limited warranty. Okay. And it has some manual. Everything comes with the manual except our brain. So that's the poor thing. And this is the cable. I love this because okay. Anyway, they are like already working with this. I think it is okay. It is externally connected, but anyway, it will be working with my Mac, so I'm excited for it. And the rest, everything is good. So that's it. We may not care about this. I like this box as well, and I love this. This is so cute. Yeah, so cute. So let's connect this to our Mac, and then let's see how we can configure it. And let's use this. It's the music time. Okay, it comes with one bigger and one smaller size, and here also we have the same port. So okay, I think it is not that strong out. We need to be very careful on that. And let's connect this. Okay, let's open the disk utility, and here we can see on the external section that my password for Mac is shown. So let's open this now, and it shows like Mac OS extended journal D is applied already. But I can erase this. I can directly use this, or I can erase this, I guess. No need to erase this for the use, I think. Let's try accessing this. So this is the one. So there is something for the use with the Windows, I guess, and there is another install Western Digital for the DMG. So we can install this. It comes already with the software, and we don't need to even format this. But we can see this is using macOS extended journal D, and let's see. Okay, it is using the extended journal D. I'm just cancelling now, and let's install this software. What it does. Double discovery by clicking. Okay, let's install this. Let's not share. Yes, I'm sure. I don't see. when it's working, patience is the key. Okay. If you can read my mind, then you can trace back my thoughts into my password. Yeah, that will be possible maybe in future. But watching the video and reading my mind, every word that I was imagining before typing. Yeah, you cracked my password. Mm-hmm. There is the WD discovery. Mm-hmm. It's already coming here. Let's see. Mm-hmm. All your notifications will appear here. Okay. Okay. So this is my passport, 100% available. Import data. Apps. So many things. So I think it is more than I expect something from a external disk. I don't know, like I have not used that with the Mac because I was not a Mac user before. So I like this. Let's register this. I don't know. Well, I'm just exploring the new things. So how it comes. Anyway, so it comes already in a formatted manner that we can directly use, or we can also like do the erase and then do another formatting from here. I showed you, but it's up to you, like whatever the ways you want to use. So it's we can use that way. So I will leave that for now. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video gives you the idea of like WD, and then I really like the product. I don't know how it goes with the days, but like during the unboxing, I really like the product and those wires and those things. And it is really easy to set up with the Mac as well. It already comes with the pre-installed, pre-built software and those things. We don't even need to erase and made a partition or all those things. So I hope this unboxing helps you to make a decision on buying this or buying your future hard drive. Thank you so much for watching this video.